So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with, of course, another KALYSS wig review. Now, if you guys saw my first wig review about this company, I did inform you that they reached out to me, asked me to pick 5 colors of the same wig, and at the time I only received 1 wig, and I informed y'all that I was going to do a second wig review with the other 4 wigs that once I received them, but I decided to go ahead and divide it. So today I'll be only reviewing 2. I'll be reviewing this copper red one and the burgundy one that I received, because both of them pretty much go with my makeup today. So I kind of wanted, today I decided to keep it in the color coordination. So this video is going to be super short because if you saw the first video, then you pretty much know about this wig. But if you have not, I will be informing you some details about this wig. So if you are interested in hearing about this wig and seeing how the other wig looks on me, then keep watching. Alright, so first I'm going to be reviewing the copper red wig. So this is the copper red wig that I have on now. So this wig is a pull-on, pull-off wig, very quickly to install, on the go, all of that good stuff. So this wig has 2 combs, one in the center front and one in the center back. It also has an adjustable strap, and in the back the cap is breathable. So as you guys can see, this wig does have bangs, and of course it is a straight long wig. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some details as far as the price and all of that. So again, this is from KALYSS store on Amazon, so make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details. But this is their 28-inch silky long straight copper red synthetic wig, and it retails for $20.99. All right, so some information that I did not let you guys know in the previous video, but the cap circumference of this wig is 21.5 to 22 inches. Ear to ear, 13.5 to 13.75 inches. Front to back, 14 inches to 14.5 inches, which fits most head size. It can be adjusted for smaller or bigger size, of course, because it does have an adjustable strap. So this one also is a little bit tangly. Nothing too bad or any of that, but I'm not surprised because again, it's synthetic, but it is tangly. Very pretty. I love this copper red color. I love copper red in general, but this is definitely a nice color for the fall. So this one is not as flat. Well, I won't say that. This one doesn't really have a hump like the other one did, so that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off and put the burgundy one on so you guys can see how that look as well. All right, so here is the burgundy one, and if you know me, y'all know I love me some burgundy hair. So this, yes, definitely like this one. All right, so pretty much the same information. This is their 28-inch silky long straight wine red synthetic wig. This one retails for $17.59. And with this one on Amazon, they have the save an extra 20% off coupon that you guys can use at checkout. So this one I am loving. This one is actually not as tangly as the other 2. Like, I know y'all can see my fingers is just going straight through, and this one, it actually feels more soft as well. So I like her. She is a cutie. So of course, I want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review these wigs. Out of the 2, I really do love this one. Like, this one right now, out of all 3 that I've done so far, this one is #1. But for this video, it is definitely #1. You guys be on the lookout for the other video with the last 2 wigs that I have for you guys. Those will be the black one and the red one that I'll be reviewing next. So you guys let me know in the comments what you think about both wigs as far as the color. Let me know if you like the copper red one or the wine red better, or if you like both, which one you didn't like, all of that stuff. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I will try my best to answer them for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in my next one.